Hi, this is Alex with another episode of CEC Tips and Tricks, where we answer frequently asked questions that we get from our customers from around the region. This week's question comes from a customer in Taiwan wanting to know how our RICOH card sheet devices fare when printing on envelopes. Digital printing allows us to print variable data, which makes it a perfect fit for printing envelopes, as we are able to print individual addressees' details on them. While we've had no problems printing on envelopes without any special settings or equipment, it's understandable that there are concerns when it comes to printing these, as they are very different from the usual card sheet media. The flaps, folds, glue, or even air trapped inside can cause the envelopes to be uneven in terms of thickness, and this could sometimes cause problems during printing. Based on previous experience, the main issue faced when printing on envelopes is creasing, which is usually caused by uneven thickness as mentioned earlier. So if you're ever faced with problems printing on envelopes, let me show you what we would do to address this issue. Firstly, we want to look at how we load up the envelopes into the trays. Loading the envelopes as they are may cause air pockets to be trapped, so load them up with the flaps open. When setting the size of the envelope, add it as a custom size and factor in the size of the flap as well. In case you get issues of jams or non-feeding, RICOH's vacuum-fed large capacity trays have the option of adjusting the fan level to suit the media being fed. The next thing that we will want to look at is adjusting the fusing nib width. As you can see, there's a separate setting for envelopes which will help you avoid creasing and fusing issues. Even though you shouldn't face any problems printing with the machine as is, envelopes come in many different specifications and from many different suppliers, so these adjustments would definitely come in handy should you face any issues printing on envelopes. This is just one of the many examples of the adjustments available to operators to improve the production process. Hopefully this answered today's question. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to address them. But that's all for today. We've come to the end of this episode, and as usual, remember to subscribe and I'll see you next time.